Hi, beautiful family. Come, let's make beans for my family. So, before I go, how are you doing at the first end? I hope you're fine. So, today we're making beans. The beans is already on fire, cooking, and this is the pepper mix. I have to blend it and all that. Then the beans, I have to sieve out the first water. I usually remove the first water. For those of you that say maybe beans purge you, makes you purge and something like that, this should be a method you should be using to cook your beans, because this method you will not have that purging sensation after eating the beans. So after removing the first water, I'll put in another water to cook it, then the onions will go in. Then here I'll be frying the pepper mix I've earlier blended. This is onions. I had to saute the onions in the palm oil for a while, not to bleach it, just to saute it, just to make it have that, release that aromatic flavor. Okay, and here is the pepper mix that I've blended already. So I have to fry it until it is well, fried and ready to combine with the beans. You get it, right? So I want to use this medium to actually thank all my returning subscribers, all my supporters. I am very, very grateful. And here is the crayfish that I've added already. And what is beans without crayfish? Nothing, right? And a bit of seasoning. Here is the seasoning I'm adding, particularly Knorr chicken. No, won't you make me your ambassador? I'm waiting for your answer. Or you should help me tag Knorr company so they can make me their ambassador. Because what is my food without Knorr? So the pepper mix is almost ready, and I have to add a bit of salt to taste. So I'm done with the salt. I have to turn it, and the pepper mix is almost ready. And here I am. After the pepper mix is ready and the beans is also ready, I have to put in the beans and the pepper mix to marry together. Yes, that's actually the main point here. So I have to put it to marry together, and after that I have to turn it together and make sure it is well combined, and I'll cover it and allow it simmer for at least 5 minutes before taking it off the heat. So this is it. A little bit of palm oil. I don't actually know, this palm oil is a bit dark, so it's not giving me what I want, but anyway, the pepper mix will do the correction. So the beans is ready, and we are ready to take it off the heat. Anyway, we are not eating it right now. We're actually that kind of family that does not like beans, so I just cook it in case there's a crave for it. So I have to put it in a freezer compatible plate and right back in the freezer. So I'm done with it, and I'll actually fry the plantain when we are ready to eat. So I won't be frying the plantain now. I'll fry it when we are ready to eat. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.